The wait is finally over. After nearly 3 years of anticipation, Chevrolet is set to launch the highly anticipated Blazer EV SS, an electric SUV that's packing performance, power, and an impressive price tag. Originally slated for release in late 2023, the Blazer EV SS will go on sale later this quarter, bringing a high-performance electric crossover to the masses at a price point that undercuts its luxury counterparts. The Blazer EV SS is here to continue Chevrolet's performance legacy, building on the success of the Trailblazer SS. What makes this model stand out is its dual-motor all-wheel drive system, which delivers an astounding 615 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain allows the Blazer EV SS to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, a figure that is just a tenth of a second slower than the luxury Cadillac Lyriq-V. In fact, this power output mirrors that of the Lyriq-V, offering Cadillac-like performance at a much more affordable price. Speaking of price, the Blazer EV SS will be priced at $62,490, including destination fees. To put that into perspective, the Cadillac Lyriq-V is priced at $79,990, making the Blazer EV SS an excellent value for those seeking high performance in an electric SUV. Not only does it match the Cadillac in terms of power, but it also offers a competitive range, with the Blazer EV SS achieving an EPA estimated range of 303 miles. This puts it on par with rivals like the Jeep Wagoneer S and beats the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT's range of 280 miles. Aside from its impressive acceleration and range, the Blazer EV SS brings style and tech to the table as well. The crossover comes with modern features that will appeal to tech-savvy drivers, while the exterior design exudes a sporty, muscular look that aligns with the Blazer nameplate's heritage. The combination of performance and practicality makes the Blazer EV SS a strong contender in the growing electric vehicle market. In a move to celebrate the launch, Chevrolet has also announced that the Blazer EV SS will serve as the official pace car for the 2025 Daytona 500, showcasing its electric performance on one of the biggest stages in motorsports. The pace car will feature custom graphics and embedded strobe lights, but it remains stock in terms of performance and specifications. But that's not all. Chevrolet is also set to unveil a Blazer EV.R NASCAR prototype at the Daytona 500. This race car prototype is a joint effort between NASCAR and Chevrolet, aiming to explore new and emerging automotive technologies. While details are scarce, teaser images reveal a car with a massive rear wing, lightweight windows, and a quick-release hood, giving a glimpse of the potential future of electric motorsport. Despite NASCAR's strong roots in V8 engines, Chevrolet sees the sport as a platform to test and explore new technologies. Jim Campbell, Vice President of GM Performance and Motorsports, emphasized that racing continues to be a crucial arena for Chevrolet's innovation. The Blazer EV SS and the Blazer EV.R prototype show that the future of Chevrolet's performance cars is electric, offering exciting possibilities for both road and track. With the Blazer EV SS now just around the corner, it's clear that Chevrolet is ready to make a major statement in the electric vehicle market. Offering incredible performance, style, and a price that makes electric performance accessible to the masses, the Blazer EV SS is a game-changer in the electric crossover segment.